Metal roof ridge vents clogged with debris can seriously mess with your attic ventilation and lead to all kinds of moisture and heat problems. So, if you notice your metal roof ridge vent is clogged, the first thing you gotta do is grab a sturdy ladder and some gloves. Start by gently removing any leaves, twigs, or dirt that's built up around the vent. You can use a soft brush or even a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to get into those tight spots. Make sure to check both sides of the ridge vent because debris can pile up underneath the metal screen, blocking airflow. If you spot any damage like bent or broken vent screens, it's smart to replace or repair them so nothing else gets stuck. After cleaning, spraying the vent with a garden hose can help wash away stubborn dirt, but avoid using a pressure washer because it might damage the metal. Keep an eye on your attic temperature and humidity levels after cleaning to see if ventilation improves. Good airflow makes a big difference in cutting down on mold and wood rot. Doing this maintenance at least twice a year, especially after stormy seasons, keeps your roof breathing easy and extends its life. One of the biggest mistakes people make with metal roof ridge vents clogged with debris is ignoring regular cleaning, which causes poor attic ventilation and can lead to costly repairs later on. Fix this by setting reminders to clean your vents seasonally. Another common issue is using harsh tools or high-pressure water that can damage the vent's metal, so stick to soft brushes and gentle rinses instead. Lastly, some folks forget to inspect for damage after cleaning, allowing small tears or gaps to go unnoticed, which invites pests and more debris. Always double-check your vent's condition and fix any issues right away. BigHomeProjects.com is perfect if you need help finding trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to roofing and ventilation fixes. It also helps contractors connect with homeowners looking for quality work, making it easier for everyone to get things done right.